Good morning, students of Standard 9th. Welcome back. Today we will be revising the chapter in the Kingdom of Fools, which is about a little girl named Kezia who was very scared of her father. There are several reasons, we will discuss it, but the most important was she didn't know her father well. He didn't spend much time with her. She tried many times to get to know her father, but every time she failed. Once, due to a mistake, she got beaten up by her father, and from that day onwards, she started hating him. She thought all the fathers in the world must be cruel. That was her opinion, that all the fathers in the world must be cruel. And after that, her opinion changed when she noticed her neighbor McDonald's play with his children and didn't scold them when they were being mischievous. So she realized, oh, there must be different kinds of fathers. I got the bad one. And she, was disappointed. Due to some circumstances, once she had to spend a night alone in the house with her father. She got a nightmare and got scared. Her father this time came to her rescue. He not only comforted her, but let her sleep next to him so that she doesn't get scared due to some nightmare. And as a result, the girl came to know her father, understand it better. Let's begin the story. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. The lack of it may lead to the children forming wrong opinion about them. Now, Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. She thought her father was like a giant. He had big hands and big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. Kezia's father worked in an office. He went to an office in the morning. Before going, he went to the little girl's room, gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy when the father was gone or had left. Now there were multiple reasons. Let's discuss what were the reasons what that made Kezia scared of her father. A, he didn't spend enough time with her. He left early in the morning and came back late in the night. Whenever he was in house, he spoke very loudly, demanding for his things. He always scolded Kezia for the simplest of mistakes. Rather than being nice to her, he never played with her. He didn't spend much time, so how would he play with her? Right? So she felt comfortable when her father was not around in the house. And she also thought her father was like a giant. He was so big and so huge. His neck was big, his mouth was big, his hands were very big. So she had a general opinion that her father was a giant. In the evening, the little girl's father came back. He spoke loudly in the house. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. When she entered his room, he looked at her sternly. Kezia thought her father was a hard-hearted person. We discussed all this. One day, Kezia made a pin cushion. She made several, besides we are missing a few points over here, she made several attempts. On Sundays, she went to have a nice little chat with her father, but she found her father resting. And when he woke up and found Kezia staring, he would scold her. When Kezia tried to speak to her father out of fear, she stammered. And instead of soothing the child, the father scolded her. He was a strict person. And he always looked at her very sternly. One day, Kezia made a pincushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. She needed paper to stuff the pincushions. She found some sheets of paper in her father's room. She tore the sheet off to stuff the pincushion. The father had written an important speech uh, that he had to deliver at the Port Authority. He was very angry with her. He took a stick and beat her severely. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She worried why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. So the moment she said, "Why did God even make fathers?" it clearly suggests Kezia was pretty scared of her father. Right? And now she was scared. Now she started hating him. She said, "It was better that I had no father. So I wouldn't be scolded, I wouldn't be beaten up." She was trying to gift a pin cushion. And I was making a gift for him and he comes and beats me up. But why was the father upset? That is the important point over here. Father was upset because she touched something which did not belong to her. That is, father was a strict person, a disciplined person. He disliked Kezia doing things which she shouldn't, and we all shouldn't touch things that don't belong to us without permission, particularly. One day, Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. They all looked very happy. But Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought there were different kinds of father in the world. Her own father was very cruel. Now, Mr. MacDonald had three children. The little girl was sitting on his shoulder. The other girls were hanging on his coat pocket. Four children, perhaps. Yes, and his son. He turned the hose towards him, and that was a mischievous thing to do. But he didn't get angry. He started chasing him while he was laughing. So Kezia was now sure there were different kinds of father. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Her grandmother took her to hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with the cook. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. At night, she had a horrible dream. She saw that there was a butcher with a knife. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room. He lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. So this was a recurring nightmare Kezia had whenever she slept alone. And at that time, her grandmother was the soothing force. She used to take Kezia along with her, and now Kezia slept without any fear. So what grandmother did this time, the father was doing that. Now, father was a responsible person. He knew there was nobody else in the house to look after Kezia. So despite being tired, he carried Kezia with him. He was tired and fell asleep before her. She was lost in thoughts. She thought that he had to work hard every day. He came in the evening. Then he was too tired to play with her. She thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers. She realized her father was not bad. He had a big and loving heart. Now, how did she realize that? She realized, why did the father work so hard? So that his family got all the things they wanted. And because of that, he couldn't spend time with his family. And when he couldn't spend time with his family, he couldn't play with Kezia. Now, Kezia, after getting close to her father, getting to spend some time with her father, started understanding it. Nobody taught her that. And she understood her father was a kind person. It's a very beautiful story about children's relationship with their parents. Now, a few question and answers. What made Kezia's father punish her? Was he right to do so? Kezia's father had written a speech on some papers. Kezia had made a pin cushion for her father on his birthday. She needed paper to stuff the pin cushion and put them into the cushion. So her father punished her. Father was not right to beat her. He could have made Kezia realize her mistake with love. Why did Kezia start making the pin cushion? One day Kezia was she was kept indoors. One day she had cold. So her grandmother advised her to gift a pin cushion to her father. She gave her some satins and the father would be happy. So this will be all for this week. Till we meet again with another video, you children take proper care of yourself and stay safe.